Dati wala akong cellphone. Ngayon, nag-create na ako ng aking videos. Kami ni na Casey to.
Marcello is
Palad
escaping.
mo na
His whole
sila.
container broke. It's hopeless. Hopefully nobody realizes.
Andrea really thought I